If you ever wandered down to your grandpa's workshop, you probably saw a set of pipe clamps like these among his tools. Clamps have come a long way since then, with features that make them less awkward to handle and quicker to use. There are so many types of quick-use clamps available that having a bin of several kinds can come in handy. Now here are some basic types and features to help you build your collection. A pipe clamp like this is used where you need to apply heavy-duty pressure, because it won't bow and its clutch and release won't give away. You can swap out the span of a pipe to adapt it for long distances and reverse the clamp to use it as a spreader. You'll use these a lot in remodeling or woodworking. A bar clamp is similar to a pipe clamp but lighter. You'll use these for all kinds of repairs where you need to let glue set up. It usually has a ratcheting quick grip. A quick release feature is really nice to have. The C-clamp is named after its shape. It has a threaded clamping action generally used for holding items stationary. This clamp can apply up to 2,400 pounds of pressure. Now, having several sizes of spring clamps or pinch clamps in your toolkit, car, RV, or boat can come in handy. They provide light pressure and are great for holding items stationary, such as tablecloths on a windy day. Here's some more helpful advice about clamps. Heavy-duty clamps can crush the surface you're clamping. A quick solution to this is slipping a shim under the clamp before tightening. A corner clamp or band clamp helps when you can't use a standard clamp. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.